Today we are going to discuss this mental retardation, but topic is mental retardation and this term should never be used in pediatric patient, right? Why it should not be used? Anybody from the house? आजकल कोई रेजिडेंट्स तो लिखते रहते हैं MR with this, MR with seizure, MR with cerebral palsy, but it should not be used and it should not be discussed even with the patient with similar terms like mental. जो आपका बच्चा तो दिमाग से कमजोर है, mental retarded है, ये है वो है, those types of terminology should now prohibited, should not be used. Reason is that because what we want to do is we want to help the patient, we want to treat the patient, and these terminologies are having stigma and it obstruct your treatment. Rather, patient get demoralized and he start thinking now no chances of improvement, my child is having big problem and like that. And people also start seeing the patient with different angle. Second thing important about this topic is that recently I realized that this topic is changing very fast, just like COVID type 2 wave and third wave and like that. So like mutations are happening in the viral sequence and genomes. Similar way in mental retardation also, lot of new discoveries, lot of new genes are discovered, and for you people also it might be the very difficult to cope up with this topic. Reason is that if my question is set, I will show you in my following slides that how it could be difficult for you. These questions were made in 2020 May. Some MCQs are there just after this topic. And even I found that those answers could not be correct today. So if question is set in 2020 is not working today, the questions which are set 10 years back for your purposes might also be not true in today's science. But answer is answer, like we are seeing in most of the quizzes and all that. Certain questions are made in advance by a lot of question banks, and if they are taken from old slot, then your answer might not be matching and you might be thinking I have done so nice, but my means marks are not up to that extent. So I will move fast because my planning was I will take short lecture today. Mental retardation is one of the most chronic neurological disability of the childhood. It affects 1 to 3% of the population. So if we see in true terms, because as the definition of the mental retardation, or nowadays we will not, I will just remove this terminology from my lecture also. We will use the terminology ID or intellectual disability. This is the term most of the pediatricians all over the world are using. Even Western world, if you are using mental retardation, maybe you might be not allowed to enter in the hospital for few days because you are not sympathetic to the patients. So intellectual disability is 1 to 3% is the means this your prevalence, but it could be more if we consider the mild type of the intellectual disability, which is 50 to 70%. So IQ level less than 70 we call it intellectual disability. Certain cutoff values kindly keep in mind. So those values might be useful for your those MCQs also and for your further whenever you are reading from any book. Most means common in it is common in the lower socioeconomic group more because their infections are more common. Some other problems, some things are there, which increase the incidence of mental retardation. And as far as genetic things are concerned and other things are, both are common for all ethnic groups. So you can see here also, this is the DSM-4 classification definition of the mental retardation or intellectual disability. But now DSM-5 is working, I think. You might have taught in your psychiatric classes. And actually this topic might be very well covered by those people also. So that's why I am here only today just to give my view of the means or pediatric view of the mental retardation or intellectual disability. Other thing I feel it might have covered in psychiatry, considering all the test and investigation, especially this IQ test, is done by the psychiatry department only. And now this is the DSM-5 classification. So DSM-4 was mentioning that there should be significant limitation in adaptive functioning of the two skill areas. Now it is, because what is intellectual disability? First thing very should be clear. Like we consider IS as the topmost cream layer of the society. We consider like that, ki who are having little bit more intelligent are going in the IS. But here IS is working for our intellectual disability, means they are, as a doctor we consider them, because after if PMT and that PET exam you could not clear, then only you become the IS. So IS means I is the intellectual, A is adaptive, and S is social. These three areas, if are having the deficit or significantly affected, then we call it as intellectual deficit. So this is the definition of the intellectual disability. Or what synonyms are for that? Intellectual means concepts. Concept means reading is defective, writing is defective, your mathematical calculation. But if one area of mathematics is not there, that will come in learning disability, not in intellectual disability. Second is adaptive. Adaptive means practical. Practical means daily things what we are doing, bathing, going for shopping, calculating the money and all that, and doing all the work, occupational work. This counted as a practical. And social means interpersonal, or means how we are behaving with each other, we are following, we are not bullying each other, we are following the rules, we are obeying the rules and all that. These are the social. So if these areas are having the severe limitations, then we call it intellectual disability, and usually onset is before 18 years. But it can be diagnosed after 18 years, but presenting usually before 18 years. कई बार ये होता है कि माँ बाप लाए नहीं, दिखाने नहीं लाए, तो things can be diagnosed later on. This is a big list of the causes. So always remember all type of chromosomal, metabolic, nutritional, certain infections, especially torture group of infections and other infections, and your perinatal causes, perinatal insults, postnatal causes, and certain examples. These can lead, but usually common things are like genetic and those things which nowadays are diagnosed by the microarray analysis of the genes, and this is the most common test to diagnose the mental retardation. So kindly make aware of yourself that previously we were doing the karyotyping. Now karyotyping is coming after this. Because what happens? Karyotyping you can diagnose by Down syndrome is not very difficult. You can diagnose by clinical picture only. Karyotyping you are just validating that yes, it is the Down syndrome. There is no doubt. Or sometimes you are validating means if parents are having the same problem or not, chances of the other siblings and all that, for that purpose. But for that child you can diagnose by the clinical symptoms. Similar way Edwards syndrome, other syndrome, Cry-Du-Chat and all that you are doing. But nowadays, because they feel in mental retardation 20% cases are not diagnosed, when no diagnosis is there, idiopathic. But 80% there are certain causes which by history and examination and certain clinical picture you move in that direction. Like if child is having some child by doing well at birth, but later on you find become comatose, was managed, then he was diagnosed with a metabolic disorder, and now child is having mental retardation. So mental retardation is secondary to metabolic disorder, which was present at birth, but child was not having the normal mental functions, but it was not managed properly in the metabolic disorder, that's why. So other causes like hypothyroidism, phenylketonuria, certain preventable causes are there, which if we diagnose early can prevent the mental retardation. Or most of the even metabolic disorders, if diagnosed early and managed properly, can prevent certain consequences which are happening later on. Acquired causes like these meningitis or some encephalitis or certain other insults, hemorrhage, if occurs early before 2 years, can lead to mental retardation later on. So when the brain growth is happening and things are happening in the brain CNS only, then it can again lead to the mental retardation. So this is a big list. I will not go in detail. Signs, symptoms, we all know there is language development is delayed. So language, as we understand, is the conceptual we consider or intellectual ability of the child. So delay in the language development, and there are four major criteria of the growth and development, which you have all know, that gross motor, fine motor, social, adaptive, and language. These are the four criteria. So you are usually describing your child in the word postings, that gross motor is of the this age, fine motor is of the this age, social, adaptive, and all these. And those milestones I will not go in detail. But backbone of all the mental retardation is that you should know very well about the developmental milestones of the all age group. At least at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, then 18 months, then 2 year, then 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, and 6 year, then 10 year. So these milestone particular age group, if you are very well aware how which milestone is appearing, and milestone of the each group, gross motor, fine motor, social, as well as this language. So difficulty in learning the social rules, have trouble learning the specific object, have trouble solving the problems, lack of social inhibitions, lack of self-care skills, so persistence of the infantile behavior, and unable to take higher education. IQ we are doing. So as I told you, cutoff is 70, 50 to 70, very tricky to diagnose the mental retardation, because 50 to 70 usual causes are environmental more than your genetic causes. If genetic and other causes are there, usually IQ will come less than 50. But your certain questions, as I was seeing today, Turner syndrome, Noonan syndrome, always in their description they put one alternate as mental retardation is present in Turner syndrome. So you have to work out in that way also. Whatever disorder I described, I did not describe Turner, but I described maybe Noonan or some other syndrome. Similar way, Klinefelter is having the mental retardation. Similar way, Fragile X is very common cause of the mental retardation in males. In India, even malnutrition and certain other causes might be more. Grades, this is a very important thing. Usually, if any child or any clinical case in your postings or your exam, your means practical exam, is if having intellectual disability, and you have to use the term intellectual disability, because child is having intellectual disability rather than using mental. So grading usually examiners are fond of asking. So borderline forget, it is normal, 70 and above, nothing borderline. Mild 50 to 69, moderate 35 to 49, severe 20 to 34, and profound below 20. So usually, as I told you, mild is very difficult, and out of these three IAS, I told you, intellectual, adaptive, and social. Adaptive is again having some problematic area where we have to level, because what we told, out of these three, any one area significantly affected is having mental retardation. So adaptive, what is adaptive? Occupational, this, that, going and doing daily activities. So certain mental retarded people, you will find they are totally unable to do understand any simple thing. But they are going to bed, they are taking their food, they are going outside, they are bringing certain vegetables and other, but it does not mean they are not mental retarded. So here, adaptive is working perfectly normal, but other criteria is affected. So for certain places, adaptive is affected, but other things are like you can see. Example is just one person died. What name? He was on the wheelchair only. Hawkins, whatever. So he was intellectual IQ level was the more than 120 or 130 IQ, but he was unable to do the daily activities. So significantly affected daily activities, but IQ level was. So this area might be a little bit tricky. So just I am giving you the example how sometimes you define the themes, but you yourself are making the exceptions also. These are exceptions, this and that. It should be usually, because what we are considering, if adaptive is affected, usually one more area is also affected, usually. So previous classifications are good in that sense. So if there is severe and profound, we all know most of the things might be affected. Associated problems, there could be pica, nutritional deficiency, eating problems, behavioral problems, toilet problems, sleep disorders. Seizures are very common. So always ask the history of the convulsions or some other problem, because it will tell you that origin of the this problem, whatever. So there are screening tools are available, which usually when we are doing the IQ test, these tests are applying. And these tests are means Denver Developmental Screening Test. Usually we are doing up to 6 years. Baroda Fatak test, this is the screening test, which is the simpler version, and we are doing in our Indian setup. Trivandrum Developmental Screening Chart. Then there are clinical adaptive test, linguistic and auditory milestone test, and good enough Harris-Doyman test. These are also used for definitive tests. We all know which are used in our department. I mean this psychiatry department. Stanford Binet Intelligence Scale, Wechsler's Intelligence Scale, and Vinland and Differential Ability DAS second. So please, I am not very aware of the definitive test, but for your benefit, and certain questions are framed on these definitive tests. So go through these tests, Wechsler's Intelligence Test, and this Baroda Fatak test, and this DAS second, and certain other tests, when at least questions you can go through out of the multiple questions. So most widely used test is the Denver Developmental Screening Test up to 6 years. In this we are going through all the 4 domains: gross motor, fine motor, adaptive, and language. And it usually takes 10 to 30 minutes to go through, because this is a very extensive workup. And milestones are shown in the graphical manner and items. If you will see that chart, you will remember. And in your old GAI, I am not sure in new GAI that is there, that Denver DDST charts are there. So Bailey scale of infant development is up to 30 months of the age. It also takes 30 to 60 minutes. And there are 67 motor milestones and 107 mental skills, intelligence or conceptual skills are there. Similar way, Baroda development developed by the Indian means context only, and does not require the standard equipments domains, and it is evaluated again in all 4 areas: gross motor, fine motor, cognitive, and it takes only 10 minutes. So why these simpler things are there? You want to work up fast, so these tests are there. Trivandrum, again it evaluates gross motor, fine motor, and cognitive, and it is used by the paramedical health worker. The Trivandrum developmental this chart is most of the time examiners are fond of asking on in clinical exam. So it contains only 17 items, and usually it is again short form of the Baroda that test, which is the Trivandrum. So Baroda is little bit having more items, here less, and it is applied up to 0 to 2 years, and the time required is 5 minutes only. And sensitivity and specificity up to 67 to 79%. And mass screening, you can use this Trivandrum scale. So these skills are, you are looking well at a very boring, these so many tests and all that, but most of the questions are set around these tests. So persons who are going for your pre-PG exam and all that, make little bit your workout on these tests also. So you can solve a lot of questions there. So this is a Trivandrum, which I told you 17 tests up to 2 years we can do, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Just tick, and age which comes. This is a good enough Harris-Doyman test. You can see here that scores are there and age is derived. So more child is having the age, chronological age. He will make more parts of the body. If he will make hairs, he will make some style on the hairs. If he is mature enough, like 6-year-old person will make, or if 1 year he will not make hair, he will make 1 rounded, 2 eyes, 1 lips, and 1 maybe teeth, and 2 hands, and that. So as per age, more and more parts and complexity will come in your picture. So we called it good enough Harris-Doyman test. Then Stanford Binet Intelligence Test for children more than 2 years, and I will not go in detail. This is a Wechsler's intelligence test. More than 100 items are there, and a standard deviation is of the 15. It takes verbal and performance score, takes 45 to 60 minutes. It needs 1 hour to do this test. and there are 12 subsets, 6 each for verbal and performance. Then age specific test is also there. Physical examination I told you, because so many causes I told, mucopolysaccharidosis or some means metabolic or some storage disorder or some neurological disorder, some genetic, chromosomal, whatever is there, accordingly you can find. Even neurocutaneous disorders are, most of them are associated with the mental retardation. Investigations, you can see here, we have to always check hearing, vision, because if vision and hearing is impaired, your most of the tests will come abnormal. So all tests need, your vision and hearing should be perfect. Sometimes to know whether child is visually handicapped or not, you might not be knowing the seeing the face. चेहरे पे किसी बच्चे के, जो बच्चे का आप देखोगे तो आपको नहीं लगेगा कि बच्चा ब्लाइंड हो सकता है, बिकॉज आईज के जो सर्चिंग मूवमेंट है, एवरीथिंग लुक्स परफेक्टली नॉर्मल. बट व्हेन यू सी कि देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर मीन्स, वो बच्चा कहीं इंटेंटली नहीं देख रहा है, किसी चीज को फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहा है, वो अपनी मर्जी से जहाँ देख रहा है, तो देन यू कम टू नो देयर इज सम विजुअल प्रॉब्लम. इवन कई बार पेरेंट्स भी इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है तो देखकर उनको पता नहीं पड़ती है, स्पेशली अप टू 6 और 8 मंथ चाइल्ड. उनको वो जो मानते हैं नॉर्मली चल रहा है, बट यू आर द वन हु कैन डिटेक्ट लॉट ऑफ थिंग. बट आपको भी अवेयर होना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कई बार हमारा भी ऐसे ही होता है कि बच्चा ब्लाइंड है, हमारे रेजिडेंट्स को भी पता नहीं पड़ता कि क्या हो रहा है. सो काइंडली, एंड सेकंड इज हियरिंग डेफिसिट. अब अगर आपका माइल्ड टू मॉडरेट हियरिंग डेफिसिट है, वो आपको पता नहीं पड़ेगा, और वो जनरली, पर कई बार सीवियर होता है, वो भी पता नहीं पड़ता, तो दैट शुड बी. और अगर वो अफेक्टेड है, देन माइलस्टोन विल बी अफेक्टेड एंड चाइल्ड विल बी, IQ will come less, although it is due to these problems, and it will not be counted. Management as per cause, prevention, primary, secondary, tertiary, drug therapies, I will not go into it. Take home message is that mental retardation is preventable in certain cases. Most cases are idiopathic and mild. Diagnosis is clinical. Examination for dysmorphology and detailed neurology is of essence. And care rather than cure is the way of management in most of the cases. So these are the identify false statement for mental retardation. Affects about 1 to 3% of the population. Majority of cases are idiopathic. More common in higher socioeconomic groups. Most common form in mild MR. So usually lower socioeconomic status, others are true. Definition of mental retardation as per, here you can see question smartly made DSM-4 only. So if 4 he is asking, then answer whether it was old criteria or it, because he specifically asked DSM-4. He is not asking DSM-5. So IQ below 70, significant limitation in adaptive function at least in one skill area, onset before age 18 years, none of the above. क्या बोल रही हो? बोलो, सही बोल रही हो, तुम ही बोल रहे हो. मैं जानबूझ के उधर सुन ही नहीं रहा. B, A, B, C, D से बोल दो बस मुझे. D. Actually, this is a controversial question, but the way question is framed, it is a perfectly normal question. So what I taught to you is that one area, but that is DSM-5. DSM-4 was mentioning it should be more than to 2 areas. So at least in one skill area, but here it is little bit words are defective. At least का मतलब एक तो होना ही चाहिए, तो 2 में तो एक तो है. So answer is B, but because the way the question is framed, I am not very happy with this. And when your senior batch, these questions were for your senior batch, and they were also struggling with this question, and a lot of fight was going on. Sir, मेरा answer तो आपने गलत कर दिया और ये था और वो था. Which is not a prenatal cause of the mental retardation. So we all know malnutrition. Moderate mental retardation is defined as the 50 to 69, perfect. Severe mental retardation, 35, 20 to 34 is the severe. किसी को ऑब्जेक्शन हो तो खड़े होकर पूछ लें, सर ये आपने कैसे बोला, तो मैं वहाँ रुक जाऊंगा, फिर देन वी विल डिस्कस मोर. अगर कोई नहीं कर रहा तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि आपको लंच की जल्दी है और मुझे भी जल्दी है, तो वी विल मूव फास्ट. Which is not a definitive test for intellectual disability. So B is the answer. Which is the developmental assessment test? All of the above, correct. False statement for Trivandrum development used for more than 2 years of age. Time required. So everything is fine except A. And all of the above. That's all.